Hi guys, it's me Paul again, and welcome to another video of this Asus screen hinge fix. So I'm just putting the laptop back together. So let's put this other card back in. Okay. Next, I have to put in this cable. So move the camera there. Okay. Flip that up. Make sure this is the right way around. Push in and clip. There we go. Right. Next, I just have to push this back into the main board, and then it's another cable. Sorry about that. That's just knocked itself over. Right. Make sure that this one is up, and then just feed this MB connection just in there, and there we go. That's it, done. And I've got one last cable to do. Just make sure it's stuck down. Right, it's just this last connection here, which is just that connection just there, so I just need to feed that and push it on. So I just need to make sure which way it was. Did it earlier. Oops. Come back here, you. There we go. There we go, and then just push it down. Down, and I think we're good to fire up. So let's see. Right, that's as it is. Let's put it in the hard drive and see what happens. Back in a minute, guys. Let's try this one. So this is a 500 gig. Okay, might as well just check it over. Let's put that in there, and then let's just flip it over. Right, back in a minute. Okay guys, sorry about this. This is what I have to do. At least that gave me a positive screen. And don't forget the hinge is now fixed. So yeah, let's just quickly put that there. Right, put the cable back in. Okay. Wait for it to come back. Orange light, yes, there we go. Alright, let's see what this one does. There we go. Oh, it's doing something. Starting Windows, yes. What's on this one then? I don't know what's on this one. Windows XD. Okay. Working? Yes. Please wait. Windows 7. Okay. Oh, it's got a password on there. Excellent. Well, at least that's gave me a good positive action. Right, that works. Perfect. Job done.